Wondering how to use ChatGPT to create a 30-day marketing plan for loan officers? Welcome to our journey today as we dive into the exciting world of artificial intelligence, specifically ChatGPT, a language model developed by OpenAI. This AI powerhouse is capable of generating human-like text, making it a fantastic tool for a wide array of tasks. Now, if you're in the mortgage industry, you'll know the importance of a solid marketing plan. It's your roadmap to reaching first-time homebuyers, creating awareness about your products, and ultimately driving sales. So imagine having a tool that can help you craft a robust marketing plan, tailored to your specific needs in just 30 days. Sounds too good to be true? Well, that's exactly what ChatGPT can do for you. So, are you ready to revolutionize your marketing strategy? Stay tuned to learn how to harness the power of ChatGPT for your marketing planning. First things first, it's crucial to understand what ChatGPT is. So let's take a moment to unwrap this fascinating piece of tech. ChatGPT, or Generative Pre-training Transformer, is developed by OpenAI, and it's essentially an artificial intelligence language model. It's designed to understand and generate human-like text based on the information it's given. Imagine having a virtual pen pal who's always ready to chat, but with the added bonus of being able to generate content on a vast array of topics. That's ChatGPT for you. Now, you might be wondering, how does it work? Well, ChatGPT operates on the principles of machine learning, a type of artificial intelligence that involves teaching a computer to learn and make decisions on its own. It's been trained on a diverse range of internet text, but remember, it doesn't know specifics about which documents were in its training set or have access to any personal data unless explicitly provided in the conversation. ChatGPT generates text by predicting the next word in a sentence. It keeps doing this until it hits a certain length, or it comes across a symbol that tells it to stop. The fascinating part is it doesn't just spit out random words. Instead, it uses the context provided to it, making the generated content relevant and often impressively accurate. Now, why is this relevant to you? Because it's a highly effective tool for generating content. Whether you're drafting emails, writing articles, or even creating a 30-day marketing plan, ChatGPT can help. It can take your inputs, understand the context, and provide you with human-like text that meets your needs. But it's not just about efficiency. ChatGPT can also add a touch of creativity to your content. It's capable of coming up with ideas that you might not have thought of, making your content more engaging and ultimately more effective. With a grasp of what ChatGPT is, let's delve into how it can be used for marketing planning. And remember, as we journey through this, the power of AI is at your fingertips, ready to make your marketing efforts more streamlined, more creative, and more impactful. Getting started with ChatGPT is a breeze. First things first, you'll need to head over to OpenAI's website and sign up for an account. Once you've done that, you can apply for access to the ChatGPT API. It's important to note that you may have to wait a bit, as approval isn't always instantaneous. Once you've been granted access, it's time to start using ChatGPT. And before you know it, you got the tool at your fingertips. Now, to make ChatGPT work for you, you'll need to input a string of text. This will serve as a prompt for the AI, guiding its responses. You can customize this prompt to suit your specific needs. There you have it. You've successfully set up ChatGPT. Once setup is complete, you're all set to start creating your marketing plan. Now comes the exciting part. Creating a marketing plan. With ChatGPT, this process becomes a breeze, enabling you to generate a detailed 30-day marketing plan in mere minutes. Let's delve into how you can accomplish this. Step 1, begin by launching ChatGPT. Once it's up and running, it's time to start a new conversation. Think of this as a brainstorming session with a highly intelligent assistant. Next, you need to input data. This is where you provide ChatGPT with the information it needs to construct your marketing plan. Be as specific as possible. For instance, mention that you're a loan officer looking to assist first-time homebuyers. Detail your goals, such as increasing your client base or improving your customer service. Be sure to also include any constraints you might have, such as budget limitations or time restrictions. Now instruct the model. Here you can ask ChatGPT to draft a 30-day marketing plan based on the data you've provided. Feel free to ask for specific strategies or tactics. For example, you could request ideas for social media campaigns, content marketing strategies, or email marketing initiatives. Remember, the more specific you are, the more targeted your results will be. Once you've input your data and instructions, hit the send button. This is when the magic happens. ChatGPT will start to analyze your request, and within moments, you'll have a comprehensive 30-day marketing plan that's tailored to your specific needs. Lastly, review and revise. ChatGPT does an excellent job, but it's always a good idea to review the generated plan. Look for areas that could be improved or tweaked to better suit your needs. And remember, you can always go back and ask ChatGPT for more ideas or revisions. And voila, you have your marketing plan ready. With ChatGPT, it's like having a marketing expert at your fingertips, ready to assist you in creating a plan that's not just effective, but also highly tailored to your specific needs and goals. So go ahead, give it a whirl, and see how it can transform your marketing efforts. You may be wondering, why use ChatGPT for marketing planning? Well, let's delve into that. Firstly, efficiency. In the fast-paced world of marketing and sales, time is indeed money. ChatGPT streamlines the marketing planning process, helping you generate content and strategies in a fraction of the time it would traditionally take. No more late nights brainstorming campaign ideas or writing lengthy marketing plans. With ChatGPT, you can create detailed, actionable plans quickly and effectively. Secondly, accuracy. ChatGPT is powered by advanced machine learning algorithms, which means it can analyze and interpret data with precision. It can help identify key trends, predict customer behavior, and formulate strategies accordingly. This level of accuracy and insight can be instrumental in crafting marketing plans that truly resonate with your target audience. In this case, first-time homebuyers. Thirdly, diversity. ChatGPT isn't limited to a single style or approach. It can generate a wide variety of content, from engaging social media posts to in-depth blog articles, all tailored to your specific needs and audience. It allows for creative flexibility and innovation, which are key in standing out in today's crowded marketplace. But there's more. ChatGPT also offers consistency. It can produce high-quality content and strategies consistently without the risk of human error or fatigue. This ensures that your marketing remains consistent and cohesive, strengthening your brand image. Moreover, it's an excellent tool for collaboration. With ChatGPT, you can easily share and edit marketing plans, fostering a collaborative environment where everyone can contribute their ideas and insights. This can lead to more comprehensive and effective marketing strategies. And let's not forget scalability. As your business grows, so can your marketing efforts with ChatGPT. It can handle large volumes of data and tasks, allowing you to scale your marketing strategies as needed. Clearly, ChatGPT is a powerful tool for any loan officer. It provides an efficient, accurate, and diverse platform for creating and implementing effective marketing plans. It's not just a tool, but a strategic partner that can help you reach your marketing goals. As we wrap up, let's recap what we've learned. We've embarked on an enlightening journey into the realm of ChatGPT, a powerful tool that's revolutionizing the way we approach marketing planning. In our exploration, we've walked through the steps necessary to set up and use ChatGPT and seen how it can be a game changer for loan officers looking to assist first-time homebuyers. We started with understanding ChatGPT, a cutting-edge AI model developed by OpenAI. This tool is not just a chatbot, but a sophisticated language model that can generate human-like text, making it an ideal companion for creating marketing plans. Then, we dived into setting up ChatGPT. We learned that it's as simple as signing up on the OpenAI website, installing the necessary packages, and setting up the API keys. It's a straightforward process, designed to be user-friendly and accessible to all, regardless of technical expertise. Next, we ventured into the exciting part, creating a marketing plan with ChatGPT. All it takes is inputting your requirements and letting the AI model do its magic. It's as easy as asking it to create a 30-day marketing plan for first-time homebuyers and watching as it generates a comprehensive, well-thought-out strategy in minutes. We also discussed the numerous benefits of using ChatGPT for marketing planning. It saves time, reduces effort, and provides a level of consistency and creativity that's hard to match. It's like having a personal marketing assistant available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And let's not forget, ChatGPT can be used by anyone, from seasoned marketing professionals to loan officers just starting out. It's a tool that adapts to your needs, making it a versatile addition to your marketing toolbox. So next time you're tasked with creating a marketing plan, remember, ChatGPT is here to help. It's a tool that's designed to make your life easier and your marketing strategies more effective. By leveraging ChatGPT, you can create effective marketing plans with ease. Thanks for watching.